Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to comment on a task in Clickup. Commenting is one of the easiest ways to communicate with your team, share updates, and keep all conversations connected to the actual work. So, yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces, lists, and tasks are available. Now, navigate to the space, folder, or list where your task is located. Find the task you want to comment on and click it to open the task details panel. Inside the task, scroll down to the comment section, usually located near the bottom of the task window. To add a comment, click inside the comment box and start typing your message. You can write updates, ask questions, or leave feedback related to the task. If you want to notify a teammate, use the AT symbol followed by their name. This mentions them and sends a notification so they don't miss your comment. You can also format your comments. ClickUp allows you to add links, use basic text formatting, and even attach files directly in comments. This is helpful when you need to share references, screenshots, or documents without cluttering the task description. Another useful feature is assigning comments. You can turn a comment into an assigned comment so it becomes actionable. This is great for follow-ups because the assigned person will see it in their task list until it's resolved. Once the comment is addressed, it can be marked as resolved to keep the conversation clean. You can reply to existing comments to keep discussions organized in threads. This makes it easier to follow conversations, especially on tasks with a lot of collaboration. You can also edit or delete your own comments if you need to fix something. Yeah, it happens. Finally, remember that comments stay attached to the task, so anyone who opens it later can see the full discussion history. This keeps communication transparent and avoids confusion. And that's it. Commenting on tasks in ClickUp is simple, powerful, and essential for smooth team collaboration. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.